12 rare mind-blowing facts about the Chichen Itza of Mexico that you never knew. Fact number 12. The pyramid is an ancient sound amplifier. When you clap at the base of El Castillo, the echo sounds like a Quetzal bird's chirp, a sacred bird to the Maya. This wasn't accidental. It's a masterpiece of acoustic engineering. Fact number 11. 365 steps equals a stone calendar. The pyramid has 91 steps on each of its 4 sides plus 1 at the top, equals 365, representing the solar year. Fact number 10. A pyramid inside a pyramid. Inside another. Archaeologists discovered 2 earlier pyramids hidden inside El Castillo. One contains a red jaguar throne with jade eyes, likely used for elite rituals. Fact number 9. The serpent shadow moves with precision. During the spring and autumn equinoxes, shadows form a moving serpent descending the staircase. It appears to slither for about 45 minutes, symbolizing the god Kukulkan returning to earth. Fact number 8. The Maya understood magnetic anomalies. Recent studies suggest Chichen Itza was built over areas with magnetic irregularities. The Maya may have considered these spiritually powerful, long before modern geophysics. Fact number 7. The Ball Court was a theater of death. The Great Ball Court is the largest in Mesoamerica, and sound can travel clearly from one end to the other. Some carvings suggest the winning team, not the losers, may have been sacrificed. An honor in Maya belief. Fact number 6. Human sacrifices were thrown into a cenote. The sacred cenote contains human bones, gold, jade, and obsidian. Victims, often nobles, were offered to Chak, the rain god, especially during droughts. Fact number 5. Astronomy dictated city planning. Buildings align with Venus, cycles, solstices, and equinoxes. The Maya tracked Venus so accurately that their calculations were more precise than those used in Europe centuries later. Fact number 4. The observatory has no dome. El Caracol lacks a roof dome, but has windows aligned with planetary movements, especially Venus. This proves advanced naked eye astronomy. Fact number 3. Chichen Itza was a global trade hub. Artifacts from Central America, the Caribbean, and even South America have been found there. This is evidence it was a major international trade center, not just a religious site. Fact number 2. It was never a lost city. Unlike Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza was never abandoned completely. Local Maya communities always knew of its existence. It was only rediscovered by outsiders. But wait, before seeing the first fact, many of you are enjoying my videos, but not liking and subscribing to my channel. Please, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, fact number 1. Sound, light, and stone were used to control belief. The Maya deliberately combined architecture, acoustics, astronomy, and ritual timing to create experiences that felt supernatural. This was essentially an ancient form of psychological and religious engineering. For such more amazing facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Factiverse.